Hello everyone. My name is Maria Scobeleva and I'm a music video director. Today I'd like to talk about special effects that we can use instead of VFX. We all know that VFX is a pricey thing and sometimes we just don't have enough budget to handle it. But there are some ways to make the video look cool, to make it look expensive, to make it look unusual, using just simple, practical special effects. It could be water, it could be just flour, it could be paint, it could be anything you want, milk or fire, anything you can just imagine. And there are two benefits. One of them is that we are having a very nice, unique picture, beautiful look, the vibe. And another one thing is that we are helping our talent to just explode. Just imagine if you have like unprofessional actress and she's scared, she like sees the camera for the first time ever in her life. She is shy and it's the normal thing, and then when you put like icy water on her, it doesn't necessarily to be icy, but just the water, and you play the music loud, there are some things that brings life into her acting and she can, be nominated after that. I just open up her own nature. That's we have to do as a director on set, to open the nature of the talent that we see in front of us. As I mentioned, it is helping us a lot to work with our talents. So how to start? Water is a great thing to work with, and it could be like a real natural rain outside, or you can build it, just with taking lots of water. You can use the art department to make it look beautiful and real, or you can even take a huge bottle of water and just, take the camera. It's good to use slow motion. It usually works great to see, when drops is just, slowly going down, or we can, just anything. It's very cool to use the slow motion, and it doesn't necessarily to take a very good professional cameras as RE or Red. They have a very great slow motion, and there is a camera which another level called Phantom, and it gave us 1,000 frames per second. It's you can see how drop just falling, but it doesn't necessarily to use that. Even iPhone nowadays, they have a slow motion, so it is cool to have water and slow motion. It could be milk, as I mentioned. It could be paint, as I mentioned. It could be glitter. Glitter looks great, and but it's very messy. It could be feather, but we ruined once the studio we proper ruined the studio once, and we paid $1,000 just to repair the studio because the carpet was absolutely destroyed. It was a music video for Quincy Brown, and unfortunately it was pricey just to repair the carpet after us. It could be a fire, as I said before, and it's usually works great, and all you need is just woods and to make a flame. I made a music video for Tyga, serving the draw, and we used a huge fire on set, and it was in the middle of nowhere. It was in a Palm Springs, and I don't know who, but someone called the police, and actually the fire department came, and they charged us quite a lot. So, you know, when you know that there is a rule in your country and it's like they're very strict with fires, then yeah, then it's not as easy. But you know, in Moscow you can just do it easy, or you know, in some European countries it's easy. Also, there is an interesting thing. Once I was filming a commercial for one brand that, you know, help couples to have this sexual energy again. It's like a website, and the scenario was like the couple bored of each other, she's cooking, he's watching a TV, and then click, they open the link and they have a desire again, they love each other, they kiss, and this kiss is full of passion. But the character, like our actors, they've never seen each other before, so they feel shy, they feel uncomfortable in front of each other, and they just, you know, the kiss doesn't work, and the client sees it and I see that no, there's no chemistry. And I had an idea. What if we will just put the soup, the whole thing, you know, on them during the skis, as we did before, like with the rain, water, wherever. The client said, soup on them doesn't sound sexy for me. But I said, trust me, we cleaned the soup a little bit, so it's just like, you know, like a pink water, like very thick one. And we did it. We just splashed the whole soup on them, they kissed, and it was epic. It was charming, it brought the right energy, and it actually worked great. What else can you use? The other thing that you can use on set is a firework. And once we were filming the music video, it was just an artist and two dancers. It was in the middle of nowhere in the field, and we just got a big firework, and you know, just made it work, and it was epic and it was great. Another one music video that had a 70 million views on YouTube. The video that I made and the video that brought a green card to my life. It was just a black studio and the talent and couple, you know, guys, actors. And we used a flour, just a baking flour. How much was it? A couple dollars for each pack, and we had 5 kilos. So how it works, you put the talent in the middle, you put the light, and it's important not to have a backlight unless you will see just dark something. It has to be either side light or front one, or to mix something in the middle. And then we were just like from each side we put the people who were, you know, just throwing this flower on them, and they did look great. Just please check it out right now, and you can just, you know, all the time just makes your brain work and just imagine, you know, different vision. I used to, you know, film a lot in Mexico, and I remember that how we would just come into the store and just, you know, like search in sections where can we find something that's floating, that can give a, you know, it would be like champagne or like Coca-Cola, and anything that, you know, gives you some sort of explosion on set, and then you can just mix it with music, with charm, and with slow motion on the camera, and it will definitely give you the right effect. So thank you so much for watching, and let's see each other very soon. Bye.